Here is the installation clip of channel drain grates. This video is the second of 3. Brass or aluminum metal channel grates deliver the customer's high-end material choice. The grates connect end to end, making a seamless channel to prevent debris from entering the drainage system. Depending on application, installation is either in a custom concrete trench or a prefab channel. CAD files are available. Shown here are different grates in both install applications. The length of the last grate can be specified in your order. The typical turnaround time is 2 weeks for 20 or more trench drain grates. We offer samples to include in your customer presentation that are available at $3.99 each in metal of choice, plus shipping and handling. See related videos on A&B's library for channel drain grate size and dimension reference chart and how they ship. Pause the video, then screenshot the QR code to access an online form for a sample grate product. These and other products cast in aluminum and brass metal are manufactured at A&B Foundry in Dallas, Texas.